Hi everyone. So this is the second part of the video for class 8 student physics of St. Thomas School Ranchi, and we were earlier seeing chapter 2 physical quantities and measurement. Today we are going to see the topic from this chapter, how to determine relative density of any unknown liquid. So determine uh, relative density of any unknown liquid, we use apparatus named as specific gravity bottle. So this is the apparatus, specific gravity bottle. So with the help of this apparatus we can able to find out relative density of any unknown liquid. Here you can able to see a small diagram of this apparatus. This is kind of funnel in which the liquid is going to get poured, and further we can able to find out the relative density. So further we are going to discuss the procedure to find out relative density. So first step is, first we are going to find out the weight of empty bottle. Suppose it is M1. Second step is, we are going to fill water in this bottle, and then again we are going to measure the mass. Suppose that mass is M2. Then third step is, we are going to fill the liquid whose density we are going to find out, and then again we are going to find out the mass, and suppose that mass is M3. Next part is the calculation. So now you can able to observe this diagram very well, very clear. This is a kind of a specific gravity bottle. So calculation part now. So now first, with the help of those steps we can able to find out the mass of only water, which is M2 minus M1, mass of only liquid, which is M3 minus M1. Then relative density, as you all know, the formula is mass of liquid by mass of water, and then we got the relative density as M3 minus M1 divided by M2 minus M1. So this is how we can able to find out relative density of any unknown liquid. Then the next topic we have here is about hydrometer. So hydrometer is the based on application of relative density. So this is the diagram of hydrometer, you can see. So this is the diagram. So this is hydrometer, which is poured inside this liquid and whose relative density we are going to find out. So further we are going to see on what principle it is working, and then its construction and its overall working. So first one, so hydrometer works on a principle of relative density of liquid. Second is the working. So it is made up of glass. So this material, this hydrometer, is made up of totally glass material and has cylindrical stem. This part from here to here is called as stem, and has a bulb weighted with either mercury or liquid salt. So this portion is called as bulb. So in this portion we can fill the mercury, which is of high density, or lead salt, which is also heavier material, so that when we are going to pour this hydrometer inside any liquid, it can able to float properly, or it can able to balance on the liquid properly. And then further, this hydrometer is being scaled. You can able to see the numbers. So this is how the hydrometer on the stem part is going to get scaled. This is about the construction of hydrometer. So next we are going to see the working of hydrometer. So hydrometer is poured in a liquid to be tested. The point on the stem at which touches the liquid gives the reading. So you can able to see here in this diagram that the liquid is filled inside this cylinder, and this hydrometer is poured inside this cylinder, whose relative density is going to be found, and this meniscus of this liquid, where it is going to touch this upper level, and this part of the stream. Okay, this is going to give us the reading as relative density of this known liquid or any known liquid. You can able to find out a relative density with the help of hydrometer. So next topic here is comparison of density of solid, liquid and gas. So density of any solid, liquid and gas is based on its molecular arrangement. For example here about the solid, so in a case of solid, molecules are densely packed. So because of that, what is going to happen? And that its intermolecular space will be very less. Thus, density of liquid is much more as compared to liquid and gas. Then in a case of liquid, it is less densely packed, means that intermolecular space is more as compared to solid and less as compared to gas. So because of this, what is going to happen? Density of the liquid is less as compared to solid. Next, about the gas. In a case of gas, molecules are very loosely packed comparison to solid and liquid. Therefore, what is going to happen? Its density is going to decrease as compared to solid and liquid. And this is about the molecular arrangement of solid, liquid and gas. So in a case of solid, you can see that the molecules are very densely packed, therefore density is much more. Then in a case of liquid, molecules are less densely packed, so its density is little less than the solid. But in a case of gas, the molecules are very far away from each other, means that intermolecular space is very large, therefore its density is very less as compared to solid and liquid. So this is about the molecular arrangement of solid, liquid and gas and comparison of density of solid, liquid and gas. So this is the end of the today's video. Thank you.